So you're wanting to change a description, maybe just one of them or all of them. I've had to do this a few times. So if you're just wanting to change one description, I will show that. You'll be just selecting the pencil, going in and changing it. But what if you want to do all of the descriptions at once? You know, I have 140 videos and well, I've rebranded. I want a bunch of new links and I really want to clean it up. So one, descriptions are it's so important to you ranking. That's how I'm able to outrank a lot of my competitors, is strategically placing keywords and writing in that description. But I also want to have some of my other playlists. Anyways, you get the story. I want to change things up. You do too. So we're going to dive into one, how to do one description, or two, how to do a bulk. I'm going to do all 130 of my descriptions today with the click of a button. So what I want to do first is jump over to the screen. And before I do that, I just want to say my name is Jackson Wilkie with the Channel Junkies. The whole goal of this channel is to help business entrepreneurs, inventors, multi-level marketers, basically anybody who wants to sell anything, grow a business on YouTube. We teach it in this channel. So make sure you tap that subscribe button, click the little bell so you're notified every time we do a new video. We're always going live Wednesdays at 1 p.m. So bring your channels. We can do consultations. But let's jump into it here. So I'm going to get to the screen. Now you can see all of my videos. So if you don't know how to get to here, I'll just go back so you can see. Right here's the channel. So what you're going to go to is manage videos, this button here. This brings you right up to your videos. Now, I will put a full disclaimer. If you're going to do a bulk description upload, you need Tubebuddy. This is this little tool here. Down in the description below is a link to download it. In my channel art is a free 30-day trial. So click that. There's so many incredible tools on there to grow your YouTube channel. If you want to just change one description, let's say you're uploading this video and you want to change it, you just hit the pencil. And right here, you can change it into anything you want. I can go back to my very first video. This isn't it, but let's say it is, and I can change that one too. So I can change my description. I can change my my title. I can change the cards, the end screens. I can do all of this from my very first video from years ago if you have those. So you can also change all of your tagging. That is how you do that. Also, thumbnails are very, very, very important. So here, you can always change and upload your thumbnail. So that is simply how you do that. But I want to do all of my descriptions at once because I'm rebranding for one, and two, I got some old links and just I made it a long time ago. My description really doesn't make sense. So what I'm going to do is hit this bulk miscellaneous tools right here, and it brings up all of these things that you can do because of Tubebuddy. But what we want to do is find and replace text. So once we select that, you have a bunch of different actions here. So let's say you have your description built out and all you want to do is add something at the beginning of it. You can do that right here. So insert before text. So you would go find the first line in your description that you want to stay there, select that, and you would put it right here. And then you have your new text that you, maybe a new link or something that they want to download, and you would put it there and it would find all of those. And I'll show you what I mean by this. And then it's going to place that. So you just pick the action that you want. You can remove or delete text. Hey, you can just make an entire new description. The only reason I'm not doing that is because the first two paragraphs of all 150 videos, they all have a very, let's say, a very strong intro and paragraphs about what my video is about. That is how we rank. That's SEO relevance. So I don't want to remove those. I just want to find text and replace it. So what I'm going to do is actually, I got to go back to show you this, and I have this up. So I'm going to go to my manage videos. It's easy to have two tabs up, or you can just copy paste it somewhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down, all of these videos. I want to change all of these. So, you can pick any one of these. And this is my old text. So this is what I'm talking about right here. I want to keep these. I don't want to lose that. So I would if I went to remove all descriptions. So you really want your title in your description, and it's said a few different times. So what I want is this. All of this is going to be gone and changed. And not completely gone, but quite a bit different. So I will copy that. And then I'm going to go over here where we're doing this. So I'm going to find the text and hit Command V. That's my paste for Mac. Command C, I copy, Command V, paste it, or you just right click and hit paste. And now replace text. So this is the new description that you want. So I have it, actually what I did, and I think it'll show you, I just created an email with no address or nothing, and I just pasted it in there. You can do it with your notes or anything you want, but this is the new description I want. So I'm going to right click, copy, and come over here, and I would hit Command V, or maybe I'll hit right click and paste. So now that old description and the new one. So the one thing I've found is when you have titles selected, for some reason it doesn't work that well. You will notice because I have special characters, the checkbox include partial matches is automatically. So yeah, that's there. So deselect titles. All we want for this one is descriptions. So now we hit continue, and it's going to ask you which videos. You can do certain ones or all of them. I want all of my videos, and I already know that I have 2 different descriptions, so it might not bring up all of mine. In fact, yeah, there's 230 videos. Okay, so I have all these videos right here that has that initial description in it. So what I want to do, I want all of them. So I'm going to select all of these. And that's 65 of them. So I know I got a huge chunk of these videos that don't have the exact same description, because I changed these ones months ago or maybe a year ago, but not these. So we'll go back and we'll get those. So now I'm going to hit continue. And it says, please confirm that you want to find the text, yada, yada, yada. Yes, do it. So now we're going to change. It's going to take a minute, but it's going to go through. You can see, you know, it's just going to count all of these videos. So we'll speed that up for you. Okay, so that's all done. All 65 of those are done. What we're going to do is, now I know all those descriptions are fixed and they are what I want. I will refresh just to show it. Should be able to go down here. And now you can see that if I bring, let's see, this email up, you can see that that new email, you know, this new description is all in here. So I was able to change all 65 of those, and you're like, well, what about all the other ones? Okay, so what we're gonna do, you probably will be able to do this on one whack. I know that I've changed a bunch of mine, so I gotta go all the way to the beginning. I'm gonna go to 50 videos, that's the most you can do. And I'm gonna go, it was about 65. So if I go to the next page, I should be able to get down to about my 100th video, one of these, and I'm going to hit the description. This is if you get, you know, you got to do multiple, you know, so I just want to change this. These are all different. Okay. So copy. Now I'm going to go back to here and bulk tools, find and replace text. So that other video, Command V. Now I'm going to go get my email template here, and I'm going to take all these again. Copy. Command V. Okay, so that's again, I'm going to deselect titles, and I'm going to hit continue. Continue. So this should find, you know, it's bringing up all those videos. Now all the ones that we already changed, obviously it's not going to be those. So I should have a good chunk of new videos. The other half, you know, another 60, yeah, 100 of them. So this will do all the rest of them, and I should be completely updated after I do that, because I already did the 60, the 70 of them. So I will run through the exact same process again. I will just have it run through and upload all those descriptions. Now you saw that in just, you know, less than 10 minutes, I did 175-ish different descriptions with the click of a button. Again, down in the description is the link to download Tubebuddy. Make sure you check that out, just exactly how to grow your channel. And we are helping everybody grow business YouTube channel is 1,000% free. Changed my life. It can change yours. So any information on how to grow your business with YouTube, make sure you subscribe to this. Go to thechannelJunkies.com. We got you covered. So until the next video, guys, we'll catch you later.